Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Mortaine Spark Glow or Grow Spark subscription. Okay, so when you purchase product on their website and if you forget to untick subscribe and save option, they will activate subscription on your account. So how you can cancel it? So basically the cancellation is very hard and you can try two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first method, you need to compose an email. The email format you can see over on your screen, and you can take a screenshot or you can take help from ChatGPT. And once you've done all the things, in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. And once your email is done, in the you need to send the email at the email address that is like support@mortaine.co. They have provided on their official website. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will contact you and they will cancel your subscription. If you don't get any reply from their side, it means your subscription is still active and they are going to charge on your account for your next billing cycle. Okay, so what you have to do, you need to contact your card provider and you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your unwanted subscription. You need to choose Mortaine Grow Spark company, and then you need to tell them that you wish to cancel this subscription. Please cancel your all unwanted subscriptions, and they will cancel subscription. This is the only last and the easy method. Okay, so please contact your card provider. Okay, so by using these ways you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have any experience with this brand, please share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.